Hi, Keisha. How are you?
I'm doing great, Amira. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Please tell us a little bit about yourself and where are you located?
Sure. I'm located in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm a project manager who recently escaped corporate America. So I'm making that transition from being an employee to an entrepreneur. So I'm doing some consulting work with small businesses, helping them with their project management needs as well as other related like business support services. But I've also recently launched a new blog called My Mission to Escape. And it's targeting women who are working in corporate America who are really frustrated with that environment and just to kind of help them navigate through that workspace, manage job burnout, and make the leap from being from an employee to an entrepreneur, which can be a difficult transition to make. So really, my overall mission is to encourage women to choose personal bliss over professional burnout.
I love it. I love it. I know I have previously told you that I love your mission statement and your entire blog vision, so it's great. Keisha, how did you hear about me?
So I was taking a blogging course. It was the Create and Go, Build and Launch my blog course.
Right.
I took that earlier this year, and there was a section in there where they were talking about the importance of having certain legal pages on your blog. And in that section, they had referenced you. And so from there, I decided to check your website out and see what legal products that you offer. So that's how I first heard about you.
Okay. And what legal templates did you purchase from me?
I purchased all of them. You, at the time, I know you had the legal bundle, which included all the legal pages you needed for your blog.
Mm-hmm.
And most recently, I purchased the freelancer agreement or the independent contractors agreement.
Okay. So what made you decide to purchase the legal templates from me?
So for me, after I read through your website, and I was just really impressed with how detailed everything was there. It was a lot of great information there. And I think what really drove the point home for me was all of the positive customer feedback that you had on your site. There were a couple of video testimonials as well. So it just really made me feel a lot more comfortable purchasing from you versus someone else.
Got it. Okay. And how long did it take you when you purchased the templates? How long did it take you to customize and start using them?
Well, like I said, honestly, it took longer to read through the entire document than it did for me to customize it. And I know you laugh, but I've said that that's really a good thing because it shows how detailed your document was and how helpful the instructions that you provide were as well, because it made it much simpler for me to fill the template out. So I would say no more than 15 minutes.
Oh, that's great. No, I'm glad to hear that because I try and let my level best to simplify the process and provide
Hmm.
and that's why the instructions and the templates are there. And but I also try to make sure that there aren't too many customizations to kind of bog you down
Yeah,
and
yeah.
confuse you.
Hmm.
So, how would you describe your experience before you purchased my legal templates?
For me, before it was time consuming and frustrating experience for me. I really wasted a lot of time, doing research, trying to figure out, what all that I need. Can I do some of this, for myself? Just wasted a lot of time. So it was just really frustrating for me before I found out about you.
Okay. And what about after you purchased the templates? How did you feel?
Uh, for me was a sense of relief. I could exhale because I really want to use my time to focus more on my projects and
Right.
other things that I needed to get done and not be so bogged down in or being stressed out about do I have everything that I need in all these legal pages. So but yeah, it just for me was just really peace of mind, and I just felt a lot better once I was able to go through all of the documents and customize them for my own needs.
Okay. So Keisha, what about do you trust the legal do you trust the free templates, legal templates out there?
Of course I don't. Why would I be? No, no, you really have to be careful as I was researching because you don't know. Do you have everything in the document that you really need? So I just didn't want to take that chance and expose myself to liabilities that could come up down the road
Right.
because I chose to go with a freebie that I'm not even sure was prepared by a trusted attorney. So no, I don't trust those templates at
Well,
all. I would
no,
be really nervous about using those.
yeah, no, no, you're a smart lady. That's all I have to say.
Thank you.
Even if I wasn't a lawyer, I would still not trust the free stuff.
Hmm.
When it comes to the legal stuff, there's so many serious consequences that
Yeah.
it's not worth the, worth the headache down the road.
Hmm.
So, talking about the independent contractor agreement template, the freelancer contract, what did you love about it the most?
For me, I loved how comprehensive it was, very thorough, very detailed. Really was not a surprise to me because I'd already used other products from you in the past. So, and it's just so easy to customize it for myself, where you had the step-by-step instructions. Just about each paragraph is telling you, this is what you need to put here, or you got two options. You can do this or that. And I really like the fact that you included other bonus legalese in there because, some of them like, oh, that's a great idea. I need that now for what
Right?
I'm going to be doing. And others were, well, you know what? That's a great idea. I never thought about that. I'm going to put a pin in this because I may need that down
And
the road with, a different client.
makes sense. No, you're absolutely right. Is there anything else that you would like to share with the bloggers and entrepreneurs that would be helpful for them?
Sure. I would just say don't waste a lot of time trying to figure it out on your own. Don't try to come up with your own legal documents. Definitely don't take a chance on any of the freebies that are out there because, again, you're not really sure who's preparing that and if they even have the qualifications to do so. They're going
Hmm.
to miss something. So I would just say look no further. You're already on the website here. So go ahead and take a look at Amira's products, not just this agreement, but the other products as well. And I know that you're going to be adding some others in the future. So, sign up for her email list so that you're aware of what she has coming down the pipeline so that, you'll know because I'm pretty sure that what she's going to be offering be of, benefit to you as well. So just don't waste a lot of time trying to do it on your own. You already have a great resource in Amira to give you what you need for your legal documents.
Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate that feedback. That means a lot. And the only thing I would add on is that feel free, guys, if you're watching this, to join my Facebook community. Also,
Hmm.
I do offer exclusive offers and discounts and lots of other valuable legal blogging tips.
Hmm.
So, and that's another easy way to reach me.
Hmm.
But thank you so much for your time, Keesha. I really
No
appreciate it.
problem.
In the end, if you could just remind our viewers how they can reach you.
Sure. Thanks again for having me. My blog is the best way to reach me right now. It's mymissiontoescape.com. And I do want to add that, again, thank you so much, Amira, for letting me speak about your products. You're really doing a great service to not just bloggers, but also just business owners as a whole. Offering affordable legal templates for us to use so that we can customize them for our needs. It's really awesome that you're doing this for us. So, thank you so much and just keep doing what you're doing. And, you'll always have my support. So just thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Keisha. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You do the same.
All right. Take care. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.